I hope you guys are all having a great day. Seiko brake pads here, and today we gonna learn symptoms of bad brake pads. The purpose of the brake pads is to act as a friction material to stop the car. When you press on the brake pedal, hydraulic fluid is passed from the master cylinder through the brake lines and into the caliper on each wheel. The hydraulic fluid then pressurizes the caliper to compress the brake pads on each side of the rotor to stop the car. Most cars have brake pads. However, if you don't see a rotor, then you probably have drum brakes and brake shoes instead. The brake pads will be behind the wheel in between the rotor and caliper. The first and most common symptom that people experience is hearing a squealing or grinding noise. If you hear a squealing noise while driving or braking, could mean that the brakes have worn down to the wear indicator. This will cause the wear indicator to rub against the rotor. Now if you hear a grinding noise when braking, it could be due to worn brake pads. This will cause the backing plate to rub against the rotor. This leads to the next symptom, a scratched rotor. This happens when the backing plate is used to press on the rotors to stop the car. This metal-to-metal contact creates visual damage on the rotor. The third symptom you could be experiencing is longer braking distances. If the brake are worn down to the backing plate, metal-to-metal contact won't provide the same stopping power as the brake pedal lining. In some situations, vibration while braking. It's important to know that the warped rotor also caused this one braking. The fourth symptom is your car pull into one side while braking. For example, if the brake pads are worn out of the right side of the vehicle, then the braking force will be applied on the left side. This causes the vehicle to pull to the left side. When braking, if this happens to your car, make sure to diagnose and inspect the brake system carefully, as there could be other failing components involved. The fifth symptoms is a brake warning light. Some cars have an electrical wear indicator that turns on the warning light. Whenever the brake pad aligning wears down, when the indicator touches the rotor, it grounds itself, completing the circuit to turn on the brake warning.